Hello students, welcome back on our online lecture. I am Sheikh Fatima, your English teacher. I welcome you all on behalf of Bharat English High School and Junior College. I hope you all are safe. So, without hindering your studies, we will be proceeding further as we have already completed our poem Indian Weavers. Now, we will be proceeding for solving out some activities such as icebreaker and brainstorming. So, the very first question of icebreaker is the first question is artisans are also called craftsmen. They are creators of diverse goods and use their hands to create unique, functional, and also decorative materials. Use traditional techniques. Now complete the web given below. So now we have to make a list of an artisan who make different type of products. So the very first example is given, that is goldsmith. Second is a shoemaker who make shoes. Furniture who make furniture. Musical instrument who make different kind of musical instrument. Weaver, the one who weave the cloth. Baker, the one who bake. And the tailor who stitch the cloth. Discuss with your partner the season or the occasion when we need to wear woolen cloth, casual cloth, rich cloth or colorful cloth. So probably we wear woolen cloth on the occasion when we feel cold during winter or during rainy season. Casual cloth we prefer are used in everyday life, like as we are at home. So we probably prefer using casual cloth. Second, rich silk cloth. We use this cloth in various festival or in marriage ceremony. Next, colorful cloth. We prefer wearing it in various function, happy or special occasion, or in parties. Our next question. Let's play game. The teacher will ask the students some questions. Student will understand that this are some exception to the general rules. Let's start. So the one who weaves is a weaver. The one who plays a game is a player. The one who sings is a singer. The one who dances is a dancer. The one who teaches is a teacher. And the one who cooks a food is a cook or a chef. Now our next question. We have often seen the picture of Gandhiji spinning on his charka. Discuss the reason behind this. One has been given for you. Basically, the reason behind this was to give an opportunity to the rural people to earn their livelihood. So the second reason is to propagate the Swadeshi movement, and the third reason is gives importance to self-sufficiency, and the fourth is weaving cloth oneself introduce the idea of dignity of labor. So this how the charka has initiated every time by Gandhiji. Next question. Name some tool used by weavers. There are many tools such as loom, weaving yarn, tapestry needle, shade stick, scissor, and dowels. Dowel is a wooden rod. Next question. Name some fine yarn used by the weavers. There are different kind of yarns which is used during weaving, such as linen, floss, polyester, nylon, moline, acrylic. We have here completed with our icebreaker. Now we will be proceeding further with our brainstorming. Now our very first question is, discuss with your partner about the following vocation. Vocational seasonal work. Initially, weaving were used to be done by the women at home by handloom, but nowadays it has been replaced by power loom. So the weavers have the security of their life. They have their fixed hour of working except in the time of hardship. The word tailoring means the skill. Tailoring is an art of designing, cutting, finishing, and finishing the dot. Tailor are the structural engineers of fashion. Tailors show their arts through stretching different type of cloth like trouser, fancy waistcloth, and sport clothing. Most of the men and women are working in this field. India, most of the workers are making cloth in their home. It is one of the famous business. Next is knitting. Knitting is a method by which yarn is manipulated to create a textile or fabric. Knitting may be done by hand or by machine. Knitting is a technique for producing a fabric. Hand knitting is the leisure activity. Studies have found that rhythmic and the repetitive action of the knitting can help preventing and managing stress, pain, and depression. Woolen sweater, scarf, hand gloves, caps are the example of knitted article. Next is embroidery. Embroidery is a craft of decorating fabric and other material using needle to apply thread or yarn. In modern days, embroidery is usually seen in cap, hats, coat, blanket, dresses, shirt, denim stockings, golf shirt, etc. Embroidery is available with wide varieties of thread or yarn color. It is also one of the famous domestic business in India. Next question. Discuss the various products made by the weavers in the poem. So, in the 3 stanza, weavers had produced different products. So, the very first product they produced was a robe for a newborn child. Second was a marriage veil for a queen, and the last was a funeral shroud for a dead man. Next question is, the word in the 3 stanzas of the poem mentioned different times of a day. Complete the table. Early morning, break of the day, and the weaver robe cloth for a newborn child. Late in the evening means fall of night, that means almost midday. Weaver weave a cloth for a queen, that is marriage veils. And the cold night, that means moonlight chilled, almost a late night. Weaver weave a funeral shroud for a dead man. Next question. The poem reveals 3 phases of life. Fill in the blank with feelings and colors appropriate to the phase of life. One is done for you. Color: newborn, childhood, adulthood, and old age. These 3 are the phrases mentioned in this poem. So, blue color represent the feelings such as hope and expectation in childhood, whereas purple and green color represent happiness, enjoyment, and energetic. We are energetic in this phrase. So, this phrase show this happiness. Third is white. This color represent our old age, which is maybe a loneliness or a lifeless, because at this stage we have limited will of living, or we have a limited wants or requirement. Sometimes we are even left alone at this stage, which represent a dead life. Next question. Complete the weavers weave in the chill moonlight is the shroud for a dead man, which is as white as a feather. Next question. Pick out 2 words used to describe the weavers in the last stanza and also states they are important. The word used to describe the weavers in the last stanza are solemn and still. They both have almost the same meaning. They indicate their seriousness and the calm attitude, the old age, the feeling of loss of energy, uselessness, and the approaching of death. Our next question, express your views about the present condition of weaver. The present condition of weaver is due to the development in technology, most of the looms or handlooms are closed down and the weavers are turning to a new job. Powerloom are advanced than handloom, so most of the handlooms and the worker are outdated. The schemes like long-term benefit scheme, health benefit scheme are no longer available for them, so they don't have any good or economic or social status. Next is, describe in your own words the steps or measures that can be taken to solve the problems of the weavers. Numbers of things can be done in order to support weavers, such as by providing them financial support, good package, by providing them low interest loan, good infrastructure maintenance, help in marketing and support their services, design and technology upgradation, welfare scheme for workers, and to provide a continuous electricity, to provide them insurance scheme for workers. Government can also provide raw material at subsidies cost and help with marketing and sale. So this how we can promote and help the weavers problem, so that they can also raise their social standard of living. Next question, express your own views and opinion from the weaver's point of view and complete the following table. So there are some activity givens where we have to find out the view or the opinion. And the first stanza, the activity of to prepare a cloth for a newborn child. It indicates that this phrase is full of hopefulness and happiness. Second stanza, weavers the marriage bell of queen. This phrase, that means adulthood is full of energy. That means we are completely energetic at adulthood. Next, in third stanza, weavers weave a dead man's funeral short. The weaver feels that they are serious and they are sad and they are grieving because approaching dead in a old age. Next question is, pick out the rhyming words from the poem. In the first stanza, the rhyming words are day gay, wild, child. In the second stanza, the rhyming words are night, bright, green, queen. And in the last stanza, rhyming words are still, chill, cloud, and shroud. Give antonyms and synonyms of the following and make sentence of your own. So the very first is new, and the opposite word of new is old, and the sentence is, my old car is much better than my new car. So the meaning of new is recent or color, and the sentence is, I meet 3 recent graduates at the conference. Similarly, the next question is bright. The opposite word of bright is dark, and the meaning is, it was very dark on that day, and the meaning is radiant or shiny. I saw radiant star falling down. Similarly, the rest few words are given with their meanings and the opposite word with sentences. You can have a look. Now we will be proceeding further with our next question. Next question, make a word register for clothes, attire or dress. So outfit goes for rack, raiments, garments, formal, costume, casual, suit, sportswear, uniform. And the next question, complete the following table. Here you have been given some figure of speech, where else you have to find out the examples. Like the fumes of peacock, purple and green, blue as the wing of a halcyon white. There is a direct comparison between two objects. Our next figure of speech is imagery. Imagery is that figure of speech where it gives us visual effect. Imagery makes use of particular words that create visual representation with ideas in mind. Next is metaphor. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Indirect comparison. Indirectly compared. Alliteration. Sounds are repeated, just like weavers weaving at break of day. The word WW is repeated. Blue as the wing of the halcyon while the sound of W is repeated. Next question. The rhyming schemes in the first stanza is AABB. Find the rhyming schemes in the second stanza and the third stanza. Weaver weaving at fall of night. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the fumes of a peacock, purple and green, we weave the marriage quill of a queen. Here you can see that the last word of the stanza, night and bright, they both are rhyming. So we will be giving the name A, whereas green and queen, they both are rhyming. So we will be giving them the alphabet B. So therefore, the rhyming scheme for the second stanza is A, B, B. Similarly, in the third stanza, you can see the last word still, they both are rhyming. So henceforth, we will be giving them alphabet A, cloud shroud, alphabet B. Henceforth, A, B, B for the last third stanza. Next question, compose 4 lines on importance of cloth. So we have to make 4 lines on importance of cloth. So, cloths are needful, cloths are beautiful, cloths are colorful. Whenever I wear, I look wonderful. Last but not the least, here right in front of your screen you have a tree chart. This can help you out in memorizing the poem. This will help you out to get your idea clear if you have any doubt in this poem. So we'll go and see in the tree chart how that poem has been explained. Time of day, break day, that is morning, fall of night, that is evening, and moon chill night, that is night. Stage of life. There are 3 stages, that is childhood and adulthood and old age. So for child age, weavers weave a cloth for a newborn child, and in adulthood, weavers weave cloth for a queen, a veil for a queen, and at old age, they weave cloth for the funeral shroud for a dead man. Here we have completed with our activities and poems. Hope you all have enjoyed it. If you have any doubts related to the poem or the activity, please let me know. Be home, be safe. See you soon. Thank you.